Hi everyone, it's presently Sunday, July 24th, 2011, and this is my S&P 500 technical analysis for the week of July 25th to July 29th, 2011. This is a 2-year chart of the S&P 500, and I'm just trying to show you various channels that have been playing out, just to keep your mind open to what may play in the future. Well, we mentioned all these in a previous video, but I'm just going to go over them quick. Rising channel, uh, a horizontal channel, and in the yellow, and then in the black here is a descending channel. We broke through and tested the descending channel, and now we're actually testing the rising channel, which is interesting, which is at support of 1350. If we get above that, that would indicate a breakout of the rising channel and the horizontal channel. It's interesting. If we get above that, it's pretty strong. That's a very bullish move. I'm expecting volatility going into the week. I expect to move up. And I'll go to a 6 months chart, and see if I can't explain why. First thing I'll start with is the candlestick formation here. It's fairly easy to trade these. You would trade a break of the previous day's high to the long side, or a break of the previous day's low to the short side. Okay, now with that said, the high would have been 1340, just call it 1347. If we can get a break of that and the 1350, I'm not dismissing the 1350 level, whether there's a break of the previous day's high or not. 1350 level is very important. We will hit 1360, possibly 1370 to 75 in this week. On the other hand, a break of the 1340. I'm not going to say down here. I'm going to say the 1340 level. On a break down and a close below the 1340 level could easily bring the 1320 or the 1350, which is the 20 and or the 50 EMA. I do expect to see a push higher in the next day or two, though. Upside on a breakout of 1350, upside potential is, like I said, 1370 to 1375. A breakdown of the 1340 level could bring 1330, 1320, 1315, and possibly this last trend line that we had broken through the descending channel. Here I'd like to point out a possible rising channel. It's basically this right here, the two blue lines, but on a much clearer pictures. It's a shorter time frame. The 1350 level is also this trend line. I'm not, like I said before, it's not it's in here, but it's not really significant to me at all. The 1350 level is more important than this trend line, but they do match up, so it's just interesting that it could play out that way. I expect to push higher this week. 1370 I do expect to have hit. This is the RSI. There's no real reason to be short at the moment. It could roll over. MACD is ticking higher, and the stochastics have bounced off the 50 and are starting to widen. There's no reason to necessarily go short here, but like I said, the 1350 level will be strong resistance for the next day, possibly two. Or we could roll over. That's very possible. I'm looking for longs still. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm expecting a pullback possibly in the after hours Sunday night to the 1340 level. I will be looking to go long at that point, and if I'm lucky, we'll close above 1350 Monday. If I'm lucky, that'd be a good close. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. I can show you this pattern here, though. Examples of it would be right here. There's the inside day. break of this high causes more selling. Again, if it would have broke the previous day's low, or sorry, buying, if it would have broke the previous day's low, then it would have been selling. So if I can find another one. It's not, well, all of these. As soon as we broke the low, which was more of a channel trade, we continued lower. That's not one. I guess you'd call these. This one yes, this one no, because technically it did break it, but we closed right at it and moved higher again. Anyways, this could turn into a bit of a flag too, and then break higher. Could just roll over. Yeah, who knows? I'm betting to the upside. Anyways, as the week progresses, if I see something, perhaps Monday morning, Monday afternoon, a pattern that shows that it should be played to the upside intraday, I will bring it out as long as I can and have time to. I'll keep you updated as things happen throughout the week. That's my prediction, 1370, 1375 this week. Thanks, guys. Play with stops, don't go red. If you're in the green, at least don't let a winning stock go red on you. Okay, that's it. Good luck, everyone.